Hey guys, welcome to Testing Academy. My name is Pramod and welcome to the 30 days API testing challenge. This is a day 30 and in this video we have a task, right? And I want to share you about the a tool which is a Postman tool, right? So API testing tool, and I'm gonna share you about the couple of tutorials that you can look into it, right? I'm excited to share lots of things about the API testing. I hope you're ready, so let's get started. All right, guys. Right. So the task here, especially for the day 13, is that we need to basically contribute to the club website, which is club.ministryoftesting.com, and you can share about the different automation tools and what other things that you have learned from it, right? So I'm going to share about the Postman tool because this is one of the tool that, as a complete beginner, you can start with, right? If you are a total beginner with the API testing, definitely you can start with it, and you can basically learn more about it. You can perform lots of most of the things related to API testing using that tool. After that, you can move to REST API, REST Assure, right? So this is the link that you can go, right? So I have created a first of all, let me put myself here. So if you go to this link, you will find a API testing definite guide of 2020, and here I have discussed everything about the APIs, right? What are the REST API? What are the 6 major constraints of a REST APIs? And different concepts related to SOAP versus REST, right? And in the end, what I have explained you is that I have explained basically this is a tool. This is a overall tutorial about the Postman, right? And I will highly recommend you to read this article and start learning about the Postman. In the previous video, we had a Postman tool overview, right? And in this video, you can learn to go to this resource and basically learn about them, and you can share your findings in the group, right? So after that, what you can do is that go to this URL. I'm going to put the URL into the description. Go to the URL, and you can mention about the which API testing tool that you have chosen and why it is important and what are the things that you have learned. Right. So I would recommend you to read this article, get the clarity over the Postman, and after that share this into the thread, right? Or you can share into our Facebook group also. That is also fine, right? I hope you are excited because trust me, guys, trust me. These are the tasks that you need to do because I'm coming daily here. It means that it means something because this challenge has changed my life, right? And it can change your also. Since we are on a journey to master the APIs, and these small tasks per day can help you to learn these concepts, right? Clearly. So I hope you are excited and you are doing it along with me, right? I would highly recommend you to create a blog and share all the things related to date 30 days API testing challenge and tag me there, share with me. I will be very happy to do that, right? I hope you are doing. Thanks a lot for watching till now, and I'll see you in the next day, and I'll see you there. Bye.